A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape that has four sides and four angles. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in length and parallel to each other. All four angles are right angles, measuring 90 degrees. When we say the opposite sides are equal, we mean that if the left side is 10, then the right side is 10. And if the bottom is 18, then the top is 18. Parallel means that two lines never meet, no matter how long they are. A right angle is an angle of 90 degrees. See the video explaining angles and degrees. When working with rectangles, we often need to calculate their perimeter and area. The perimeter is the total distance around the shape, which you get by adding the lengths of all four sides. So here we're going to add the two 10 sides together and the two 18 sides together, giving us a total perimeter of 56. The area, on the other hand, is the amount of space inside the shape, which you get by multiplying the length of one side by the length of the joining side. So in our example, 10 multiplied by 18 gives us a total area of 180. So when we talk about area, we use the term square. So our example of 180 will become 180 square and then followed by the unit of measurement. So 180 square millimeters or 100 square centimeters or 180 square kilometers. We write the square term with a small number 2 at the top and to the right of the measurement unit. So as you can see, 180 millimeters squared with the small 2 up there at the top right hand corner. Squares. Well, a square is a special type of rectangle. The main difference between the two shapes is that in a square, all four sides are equal in length. This property makes a square a particular type of rectangle. So that means that all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares.